Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Apple AirPods yet, the Apple AirPods 4. These wireless earbuds have been rebuilt from the ground up to deliver comfort, superior sound, and seamless integration with your Apple devices. Let's explore what makes these the standout choice for anyone looking for the latest in Apple audio technology. Starting with the design, Apple has refined the AirPods 4 to provide exceptional all-day comfort and a more secure fit. The shape has been redesigned with a shorter stem and a refined contour, making them less intrusive and more stable in your ears whether you're working out, commuting, or just relaxing. Quick press controls let you manage music and calls effortlessly without reaching for your phone. The heart of these AirPods is the new Apple-designed H2 chip, which significantly improves sound and call quality. Thanks to advanced computational audio, the AirPods 4 can isolate your voice and reduce background noise during calls, even in loud environments. This makes phone conversations crystal clear for both you and the person on the other end. One of the most exciting features is the personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking. This technology places sound all around you, creating a theater-like listening experience that makes music, movies, games, and shows incredibly immersive. Whether you're watching your favorite series or jamming to music, the sound feels like it's coming from every direction, truly transforming your listening experience. Battery life is another strong suit. You get up to 5 hours of listening time on a single charge and up to 30 hours total with the charging case. The case itself is redesigned as well. It's smaller by more than 10% in volume compared to previous models and features USB-C charging for fast and convenient power-ups. Just 5 minutes in the case provides around an hour of listening time, so you're never left waiting too long. Durability is also key for the AirPods 4. Both the earbuds and the charging case come with an IP54 rating, meaning they are dust, sweat, and water resistant. This makes them perfect companions for workouts, rainy days, or any situation where you might encounter moisture or dust. Setting up the AirPods 4 is as simple as ever. Just bring them close to your iPhone and tap connect. Thanks to Apple's ecosystem integration, you can easily share audio between two sets of AirPods. And the earbuds know when you're wearing them, automatically playing or pausing audio to save battery life. For those who rely on voice commands, the AirPods 4 support "Hey Siri," and even nod or shake head responses for Siri interactions, making hands-free controls smoother and more intuitive than ever. In summary, the Apple AirPods 4 combine a comfortable, stable design with impressive sound quality driven by the powerful H2 chip. Personalized spatial audio, excellent call clarity, long battery life, and a more compact, durable case all add up to a fantastic wireless earbud experience. Whether you're deep into the Apple ecosystem or just want premium wireless earbuds that deliver on all fronts, the AirPods 4 stand out as a top-tier choice. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're considering upgrading your earbuds, the Apple AirPods 4 are definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest and detailed product reviews.